So it's just antisocial behaviour. He's driving around and around, just revving. He's been past my house about 3 or 4 times already. Here he comes now. Funny. If it's green, it's him. Yes, it's him. It's him. Shining his light in and revving. And his hours is he, numbnut? In the rain. It's about the 4th time past my house. He's just learning, is he? Oh, he had his right indicator, but he's gone left. Here he comes. When your rapist has carte blanche to bother you at home, you've got to take action. So that was last night. He's swung round, shall we say, 3 times today that I know of. I don't know all his vehicles. I don't really want to learn them that well. I don't know the makes of all the cars. Anyway, I'm not meaning to be provocative. I'm going to trim my fucking grapevines out there in case the cops come tomorrow morning. It doesn't look so hippie. And I want to strengthen up my urchin chair. And it's the only bit of sun to be had in my property. And I can listen to Dog Snipes by poaching the library Wi-Fi.